Well, today we finished going through the entire Bible in 1 year. We start again tomorrow. I want to close this year with Malachi chapter 4, the last words in the Old Testament, the last, very last of the last words that God spoke to the people of Israel before he went silent for 400 years. He says in chapter 4, verse 5, "See, I send you the prophet Elijah before that great and terrible day of the Lord. He will turn the hearts of the fathers to their children and the hearts of the children to their fathers, or else I will come and strike the land with a curse." Now notice, one of the great roles of John the Baptist, who Jesus said was the Elijah to come, one of the great roles of John the Baptist was to work on the families, to prepare the families for the coming of the Messiah, to prepare the families, to turn the hearts of the fathers to their children and the hearts of the children to their fathers. Otherwise, I will come and strike the land with a curse. Now, people don't like to talk about things like this today, but nations have a curse placed on them because of the breakdown of the family. When families break down, it releases spiritual things into the environment of that nation that are very, very destructive. One of my roles as a pastor is to turn the hearts of the fathers to their children and the hearts of the children to their fathers, to turn the hearts of husbands to their wives and the hearts of wives to their husbands. I don't understand some of these modern churches where they want to separate families, and they say, well, you know, if your husband won't come to this church, then, you know, you need to do the word and just leave your husband. If you hear these pastors saying things that just break up marriages and break up families today. Our role as pastors is to make families strong. Not to encourage the men to leave their children or the wives to leave their children and go work in the Middle East or go work in Hong Kong, but families to be together, to turn the hearts of fathers to their children, to turn the hearts of children to their fathers, to get all of this rebellion and anger and angst out of the family and hearts flowing back and forth to each other. This is one of the roles of a prophetic ministry. A prophetic ministry turns the hearts of families back to each other. A prophetic ministry does not divide up a family.